How can you secure a fracture using household items before seeing a doctor? In this video, I'm using a blanket. So I'm going to fold the blanket, try to fold it into half, and then we are going to bring the ends together one more time and then just two fold from the center. And what we are going to do is I'm going to ask the person to rest into a comfortable position. Number two, I'm going to try to immobilize the injury. In case of immobilizing, I'm going to use the blanket and then try to bring it underneath the injury. In this case, we are dealing with the ankle injury, and with the help of this blanket, I'm going to try to immobilize the injury just like that. I have to secure this. I'm going to use this triangular bandage, or you can use any piece of clothing, whatever is available. And what we're going to do is we're just going to secure it like this. So this is the one easiest step how you can immobilize the injury using household items. If you like this video, hit that like button.